Okay, so we will continue. Again, we are still in CCUS or CCS simulation using CMG software. In previous steps, we have completed the I/O control, reservoir section, component section, rock and fluid interaction, and initial conditions. And now we will move forward to the numerical section. But before that, I just want to make a big modification actually, or a big correction. Specify property. Here the top depth, the top grid should be put on this layer 1. So it's not in whole grid. I just copy and then paste, and then I will delete it. And the others will be put on the whole grid. Okay, so click on OK. All right. And then just, okay, so it's like this. Okay, and so far so good. If we change it to 3D view, then and rotate. Okay, and let's see if we check the other permeability in I direction and grid pay depth. Okay, okay, so it's good. All right, so I think we can move forward from here. We can go to the numerical and time step control. All right, so let's do this. All right, and maximum number of time steps this, and maximum simulation max time here is 0, but let me change it to this one. And maximum simulation date, I will use 200 years, because yeah, in CO2 injection or CO2 storage, it takes very long time. It's not like production. After you inject, after the completion of the injection, you need to monitor. And yeah, or you can also do the simulation to know how the CO2 plume will migrate from the well, from the injector to, yeah, to the sections of the reservoir. You need to check that. You need to check the containment. And yeah, fortunately we can do that. We can observe hundreds years and even thousands of years using simulation. So I'm going to use this. And maximum time step size, DT max, let's change it to 75 days. It's actually not necessary, but yeah, it can also be increased. And DT min, minimum time step size, let's make it smaller so it will be even more detailed. Okay, and then first time step size after well change, 0.1. All right. And normal variation per time step, press, yeah, we can follow the default 1000. And saturation, normal variation per time step, let's change it to 0.05. And global composition 0.005. And aqueous component 0.3. Okay, yeah, these values are the values recommended by CMG, so let's follow their instruction. Okay, and for the temperature, we can follow to 20 degrees. And or no, it's, yeah, let's keep it that way. And this is okay. And maximum changes per time step, max change for pressure 20,000. And for the saturation 0.8. And for the global composition 0. Okay, 0.8 as well. And for the temperature, it can Let's increase it to 20 degrees centigrade. Okay. So far, so good. And then let's go to here, convergence tolerance.